Almost. You got one of those?
Dave bought one of my.
Sweet, man. Thank you. Oh, yeah, cool. Thank you. Yeah, good deal. Thanks, guys.
Yeah. There you go. All right.
Awesome. Oh, thank you. All right, cool.
What's your place?
Those are all 5 down there, and these are 5 in this box, 5 in this box, and these over there are 2 for $5. Yeah, motorcycle plates are getting harder and harder to come by. They're going for crazy high right now, so.
Do you have any more motorcycles than this?
Those are my only motorcycle plates.
Okay.
Just whatever's out there. The Wyoming, Nebraska, I think those are Montana or Minnesota. Yeah, there's some good ones. And some of those I can't even eBay because they're not old enough. That one's still a 2020 sticker, and so that's why I didn't even put those on yet. But
Yeah, the old ones, the nice ones. Yeah, the nicer ones. Yeah. All right, if I hear from anybody this week, I'll let you know.
the cup holders are $1.
Was that just a bottle or a can?
Yeah, pretty much.
I'll take these.
We got those too? All right, yeah, cool. And yeah, all the watches are 2 for $5, $3 a piece. Make a deal if you want all of them. Okay. Awesome, thank you.
These are going for the same price, right?
Yeah, those are going for the same price. And this one, I forgot to put this one out. I want 110 for this one. That one, didn't put that one out yet. Oh yeah, all the plates are all 2 for $5 down there.
All right, they matched, or you just have front and rears, or they're just all random?
Yeah, it's all random. There's actually a bunch of match sets though, in a bunch of California match sets in there.
I'll just do these 3.
Oh, all right. I owe you 15. All right, thank you.
Thanks.
And then I owe you 4. 2, 3, 4. Thank you. Oh, and thanks.
I just don't have it.
I grab one more.
All right, yeah, thanks. Oh, you got some too?
Yeah, I'm on.
All right. All right. Awesome, thank you, man.
I tried.
Yeah, all those are $10 a piece. There's a bunch of match sets too. The German ones, yeah. Yeah, out of all the sets, for me personally, I like the BMW, BWM, whatever. That one's kind of cool. Right? Oh, all right, yeah, cool. Yeah, what would that be? 10 plus 15, 25. Who are you? All right, thank you, man. Oh, thank you. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks. Oh, and then oh, he doesn't need a bag. All right. You got 2?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
They're pairs, you know.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. There's a bunch of match sets in there.
Splitting them, but you know.
No, I'm trying to keep them together, but
Yeah.
if someone wants,
Gotta sell them.
yeah. Well, thank you. Yeah.
Will you do these 2 for $5?
Yeah. I'll do that on those 2. Yeah, the Nevada and that. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I'm just gonna go for 2 of these. I'll pull
Okay.
these out of the stack here.
All right. Sounds good.
I didn't grab any from over there.
Oh, all right. No worries.
I got 20 of
Oh,
that thing.
I got change. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. Those are more $5 ones. These are $5 ones. I owe you 15. All right.
Uh-huh.
Awesome. Thank you.
Perfect, thank you.
Yeah. Have a good one. Oh, you got 2? I owe you 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Awesome. Have a good one.